Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Tadi ka Mamta Banerjee hiru ka pelat ya kata kaktin ba ya kini ki bapoy ay napo Bangladesh hapo state jongka kila longki legal Indian citizens te habak kawak ki leadership jongka TMC ki wan rakum kan ke kubur te kini ki basyong haput parado ki parasnam jingi kai kajing singan kawan rai ki hato la sale sini da kawan ke TMC sibuk ka ong kumta kin hap snap ya ke leadership kin penlong Indian citizen noi gitu wat mentaru kan nu kajing tingin hap perhat ba bat ngakar pat ru ya ki pat ba nong song snong jong jelah bro kawai bakin ya perhat ba kan ya kin ya puson suni ya kan ya bat kin ya rai kan baka ai baka keren TMC bat ka ai baka don salendat baka penpau te kataru kajing kerpat kolong ba shua ba pin kurai ka yang kasam julu supaya pech ka yang kasam julu jong kolong kumno tang kita please. Maybe these was instructions given to them not to touch on such a subject which may be very sensitive for their vote bank. That might be a very important factor as to why they have not raised this issue up. They have not taken this up. Tekumba ni keren mentan habaya dai bat ka ni kaseng AITC ke belawan mi seni kong kawi kaseng sang partai kajing keno kajing kento jongki habaya dai bat ke AKA ya kaseng NPP ni ko handiat ben pensyai ba kijing keno kento jongki kampot judan ai bakila bakin kin pen isakmat de ki kot islah ki babiang henre habaki keno kento ki klet pe ka yang kasem jong la jong haba bon naki nong mi khmat naki nong yalam jongki ki badai hapo ki badai haka national level dan ka state level jongki ki balabun sosat ki scam